All right, when you're ready, so we're going to do arms today. So you're going to need either your green strap or your blue strap. I would recommend, as it's the first class, use your green strap, and progressively over time, when you feel ready, you can start to move onto the blue, and we will eventually work our way through the different resistance strengths. So we're just going to put that down to the side for now. You're going to need a blanket as well for your knees, just to support your knees, especially if you have dodgy knees. And we're going to begin. So bring your feet hip distance apart. We're going to tuck the tailbone under slightly, engage through the core of the body, bring the arms wide, reach through the tips of the fingers so they're shoulder height, and we're going to start to make small circles going forward. Okay, just breathing nice and steady. We're just warming up the shoulders for a moment. And if you see me looking down, it's because I'm looking down at the timer on my phone. So sorry for that. You'll have a little timer up in the corner for you. And then we're going to go back the way. So this time circling the arms back. Keep breathing, keep bracing the core of your body. Woo. You're doing great. Just 10 more seconds, or maybe a bit under that. And then release. Okay, take a hold of your green strap. Alrighty, so to begin with, you're going to have your palms facing up. You're going to take a hold of the sides of the strap, drop the shoulders down by your ears, elbows close to the body, pull on the strap already, so there's a bit of resistance there. We're going to bring the arms up and then pull the strap apart and lower back down. Keep the shoulders down the back, make sure they don't creep up by the ears. Take it as slow as you need to. Think about precision through your movement. Keep bracing the core. Okay, now we're going to turn the palms so they face down. Keep a hold of the strap. Bring the arms up to shoulder height, elbows straight. And then slowly starting to pull the strap away. So a little bit of resistance as you pull the strap. Whew. Keep breathing, you're going to feel your arms. Don't give up. Keep smiling. I'm with you, I'm feeling it too. These ones are always a little bit more challenging. And then release, okay. Whew, thank God for that, here we go. We're gonna bring the strap just below the elbows, okay. And then we're gonna have the palms facing each other forwards. All right, there's already resistance on the strap. The shoulders stay down, the back core is braced. We're gonna reach the arms up and then back down. And just keep again going with this. Remember to keep breathing. Try not to restrict your breath or hold your breath. Keep that lower belly nice and firm. And just think, you're gonna have such beautiful sculpted arms. And then release. Okay, now we're gonna take the strap down onto the wrists. Now a little bit of resistance again by pulling the arms slightly apart, elbows close to the body, shoulders down the back. Starting to come into these lateral raises, bringing the right elbow out to the side. Again, keep hugging the core in. So keeping the belly nice and firm to help brace you. Using the exhale to pull up. And again, keep smiling because I know you're going to be feeling it. I'm with you. I'm feeling it too, but we can absolutely push through this. And release. Same on the other side, slight resistance. Left elbow elevates. So we're using the top of the shoulder. We're exhaling the arm up. Inhale back through to center. And take it as slow and as steady as you need. Just think about your form. Whew. Okay, and release. This time, hold the strap with the left hand with the palm facing down. Right palm faces up, holding the other edge. Really pin that left arm down. Right elbow is close to the body. We're going to come into some bicep curls. Really using the biceps here to curl in. Keeping the shoulders down the back. Make sure they're not hinging up by the ears. Keep smiling, you've got this. Keep thinking about those amazing arms you're gonna have. Whew. Okay, release. Same on the other side. Right palm down. Taking a hold of the left, with the left palm facing up, elbows close to the body, shoulders down, and begin to use and curl that bicep in. And keep smiling. You totally got this. Okay, I know it's challenging, but you've absolutely got it. You can do this. Okay, here we go. Now we're going to bring the left leg forward, right leg is back. We're going to hinge slightly at the hips. Bring the left side of the strap close to the heart, gripping it nice and tight. And we're going to start to pull and do some tricep work here. So brace in the core of the body still as you pull as on the exhale. Whew. And you're gonna feel your arms, but they're gonna look amazing. Almost done. Okay, same on the other side. Turn to the right side, right leg is in front. Hold the strap close to that right arm. Hinge forward slightly at the core, at the hips. Brace the core, and again, pull. Really isolating the tricep. So all we need is just 10 minutes. And by the time you get used to doing these exercises, you'll no doubt be able to do it in a little bit less time than that. Done. Okay, put the strap down. We're gonna come onto our knees and we're gonna face the wall. So bring the blanket underneath the knees. Curl the toes under. You want to come about shoulder distance from the wall. So sorry, arm length away from the wall. Curl the toes under. Now tuck your bum under so you ignite the core of your body. And then you're going to just walk the hands down a little bit and then make fists with the thumbs pointing up. Now we're going to press and straighten the arms. And then we're going to lower down, keeping the elbows close to the body. Exhale to press. Inhale, exhale. So we're retracting the shoulders here. So the shoulders pull together as we lower and pull apart as we push away. Keeping the elbows close. Keeping the shoulders away from the ears. Last one. Now turn the thumbs so they point each other. This time as we lower, elbows go out to the side. This is the last one. And you can do this. Almost there. Whew. And we're done. Okay, so that is it. That is you done for the day. So that is your 10 minutes for your shoulders. Progressively over time, we'll work through those straps. And if you want to come into the 2-minute stretch video, you can just click on the link and it will take you to that video. I will see you in the next one.